Shit, alright. What up, guys? We are out here. We're about to head out for New York City. Tone just got the drinks. Starting off right, we got 12 right over here with us. We're here with the Fiesta, getting gas right now.
They lurking.
Here we go. Fiesta is ready, as always. Put that new tip on her today.
Alright guys,
give it a few seconds.
welcome back to Charged Up Garage. We're hitting the road, going to see Ventus Veloce. They do carbon fiber for like Focus RS and Fiestas, and just different BMWs and just different cars. They're a really good company. Shout out to them. They're gonna be our first sponsor. How you feel about that?
Yo, I'm pretty sure I said in quotes, Ventus Veloce would be a sick ass company to be sponsored by. And then they hit us up a few days later. Let's get it.
Let's get
5
it.
hours, baby.
Let's get it. Hey. Alright, good morning guys. Charged Up Garage back at you. We got Corbin, we got myself, Tone, we got Brady. We got in about 4 a.m. in the morning. We are in Jersey City. Fiesta's up and running today. ATM, cigarettes, flowers, and lottery. Ah, that looks fucking lit. Look at this lion or this damn tiger. Let's get some shots outside. Here we are. We're at Republic Speed Shop, meeting with our carbon fiber sponsor. SLS.
That is us.
Okay.
Right now.
Drove up last night. About 5 hour drive. It's not bad.
Okay, thank you. Let's go see what we got. All carbon. Damn, this carbon wing is insane. Holy shit.
Alrighty guys, we just got here at the shop. This is our boy Matt. He's gonna hook us up with the wing today. Tony's here. Got a few cars here at the shop. What is this BMW? This color is gorgeous.
BMW M2. We have the carbon fiber
Look at this thing.
aero package on this. Front spoiler, side skirts, rear wing, and rear diffuser on this.
Okay.
And out of the bunch, the best one out here, probably Dodge Viper ACR. Yeah, this car is the most special car in here.
That massive wing, that's for this.
Yep.
You can't forget about the S2K.
On the S2000 AP2, fresh, cleanest S2K, you're probably gonna see less than 10,000 miles.
Really?
Wow. Owners. And we have hardtop, someone who wants it.
Hardtop for it.
Very cool.
Nice. So you said you're gonna do the list yourself?
So what are we doing here? We're just getting the paint prepped for the wing.
Make sure the paint is bare so the adhesive fully sticks, so you don't want your wing flying off in the highway when you get back home.
Why not?
You wouldn't want that to happen. It's gonna end up someone's windshield.
So what are you using to clean the surface?
What I started with is a waterless wash to get out the major debris. Now I'm using IPA mix, basically alcohol and water mixed to a certain dilution. So it literally will strip anything, but it's perfectly safe for clear coat in the base coat because that's what I use for paint corrections, paint protection film installs. That's just the way to do it.
Put a cherry bomb where the resonator is, and then just a 3-inch.
Sounds good. It sounds better than my car.
Of course. I think more towards the front like he had it, not towards the top there.
Hold on. Let me show you the wood thing. This one. What? Yeah, the wood one.
Alrighty guys, what's going on? We have the wing all installed. Looks amazing. Matt, what did you throw on there? What kind of coating?
Ceramic coating from Nanolex Nanolex is called SI3D. Not for commercial use, but it's only for professional use. Only Nanolex Master Certified dealers can only use it because it requires more professional hands, cure time's different. Essentially the technology behind it is the same. They souped it up a little more for the best protection, best gloss, and ease of maintenance. That's pretty much it.
Very cool. Thank you, Matt, for that one. Right now we are throwing the car up on the jacks. Got a quick jack system here that we're putting the car on. We are gonna throw it up in the air, and I believe they have a diffuser for us to test out. See if we can go find it. Here we are. Fiesta's getting some love today. Wing is done, the stickers are on, the wing has been coated. Man, look at that. Sheesh.
Guys, we're coming to the end of our Jersey trip. Yep, hopefully we have a safe trip home. And if we don't, I will keep you updated on that. Thanks for tuning in.